Step into the river of time and touch the pulse of Viking legend. Introducing Awekeys full metal keycap set, Viking Antiques. Choose from 3 enchanting finishes: antique copper, silver, and gold, forged from precious recycled metals. The surface whispers the ancient myths of northern lands. Every key stroke feels like a warrior striking coming to life at your fingertips. Level up your keyboard further with our gemstone accent pad, coming with vivid textures and mystical hues that resemble ancient treasures. Installation is effortless. The MX stem fits layout by 60% to full size, and once installed, each keystroke resonates with a deep, satisfying sound only metal can deliver. Awekeys full metal keycaps, Viking Antiques. Armor your keyboard and enter the realms of Viking legends.